Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs and then divide it into two parts. Now start rolling your hairs into the bun as shown in the video and then attach it with the help of a hair clip and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hair into the ponytail and then start doing it as shown in the video. Make the sections out of it, attach it all together nicely and it's done. For this one, make a ponytail and then divide your hairs into two sections. Now start making the braids by taking the smaller sections from each part and then roll it up. Now do it as shown in the video, it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail into the half and then make a half one. Now attach it very nicely with the help of your hands and then do it as shown in the video, complete it and it's done. For this one, tie your hairs and then roll your hairs very nicely. Now start making the bun as shown in the video and then attach it with the help of a hair clip and then keep rolling it and it's done. For this one, tie your hairs and then take the smaller section and pull it inside out as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs, attach it all together, it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and pull it inside out. Now pull out some hairs. Now repeat the process till the end. Now take the remaining hairs and then keep doing it as shown. It's done. Cute, right? For this one, take the section of your hair and then from both the sides. Now tie it with the help of an elastic as shown in the video. Now take another section of your hair and then pull it inside out very nicely and gently. Now repeat the process from another side and then do it as shown in the video. And it's done. Thanks for watching.